Ukraine has carried out a drone attack against targets in southern Russia and claimed to have destroyed 6 Russian planes at an airbase in Rostov region. Security sources told BBC Ukrainian 8 more aircraft were badly damaged, while 20 service personnel could have been killed or injured. The Morozovsky base houses Su-27 and Su-34 aircraft used on the front line in Ukraine, the sources said. There has been no word from Russia on reports of an airfield attack. The BBC has been unable to independently verify the reports. However, Russian officials said that more than 40 drones had been aimed at the region, which borders Ukraine. Meanwhile, 4 people were killed and over 20 wounded in Russian missiles strike on the Ukrainian city, Ukrainian officials said. The eastern city of Kharkiv also came under air attack, with local authorities reporting 2 deaths from the Russian bombardment. Katana Karolina, MRU TV.